English vocabulary for beginners.
Happy. Feeling good, joyful. Example, she felt happy after receiving the good news. Sad. Feeling upset or unhappy. Example, he felt sad when his dog ran away. Big. Large in size. Example, the big dog ran across the field. Fast. Moving quickly. Example, she can run fast in races. Small. Little in size. Example, the small cat fit into the box easily. Bright. Giving off a lot of light. Example, the bright sun made the sky look clear. Strong. Having power or strength. Example, the strong men lifted heavy weights. Quiet. Making little or no noise. Example, the library is a quiet place to study. Cold. Having a low temperature. Example, it's cold outside. Don't forget your jacket. Sweet. Tasting sugary or pleasant. Example, the sweet cake was enjoyed by everyone. Smart. Intelligent or showing good judgment. Example, he's a smart student who always gets good grades. Clean. Free from dirt, dust, or stains. Example, she cleaned her room and made it tidy.